Who else had alcohol? Not you?
I wasn't drinking either.
So just you, you're the only one that had alcohol? Oh, that's awfully brave of you.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Thank you so fucking much.
Thank you. Do you have your ID, sir? Your registration and your insurance. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Do you have like a wrap or a towel or something?
No, I don't.
No?
No.
Okay.
Just put my shirt
Why do I
on.
need to put something on?
Okay.
Does it offend you?
Can I get out?
I just didn't want to make you stand out here in just a bikini. That's why I'm asking. Okay, go ahead and get out of the car for me.
Can I get out there?
Yes. Stand right in front of that Chevy symbol right there. And you're how old again? Okay. Just do me one favor. Go ahead and stand over by the tire for a second. You said you're 18 years old, correct?
Yeah.
And you're in possession of alcohol and you're under the age of 21, correct? Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Short.
You have shorts in there?
Can you show adult female 1015 and can you send me a second unit?
1015,
She's sending it to me.
somebody start 25%.
Do what?
She's sending it to me.
She's sending it to you? Okay. You're free to leave if you want to. Okay. Well, take a step back for me, please. Ma'am, can you have a seat on the bumper? I don't want to put you in the ring.
We were only coming under here to get them out of the ring.
What? Take a seat on the bumper.
Okay,
I gave you an opportunity to get dressed. We're going to wait a minute now, okay? Put your butt on the bumper, please. They're going to start gathering their belongings because it's being towed.
Okay. Can I open this? I will.
Sure. What's your first name?
You're gonna open.
Abigail?
Yes.
Abigail, we're going to go stand over by that GMC. My body cam's a lot better than a phone. If you want a copy of it, you're more than welcome to it. You obviously want to record, so that's what I'm saying. My body cam's a lot better.
I'm good. Well, we're not
We don't put them on.
You don't want this? I can put it on you.
With my hands like that? Yeah. I don't want it.
You know this could have gone a completely different way. All you had to do was just answer. Abigail, come stand right here. I did. Get by the tire. You don't want anything else to go with you out to the jail, because you're going to jail. You don't want your phone, you don't want your...
I'll take your phone with you.
Udi!
Unless you know Udi's number.
Udi!
They were like, do you want it with
You're
without?
going to have to post bond. Can you guys take a step back?
How much is that shit?
$500.
Anybody got $500 fucking dollars?
We do.
You want your phone or no?
No, I will say some shit.
You want your phone or no?
No, I'm good. I don't want to talk to somebody.
So who's it going with? Okay.
I do not want to know.
This is why I asked if you wanted a towel. You don't offend me. She searched. She was just wearing the bikini, so and she just put these clothes on, and I searched them first.
I just wasn't sure if I needed to do it or if you already did it.
Yep. Yeah. I guess we're good.
Do you have my ID still?
I do.
I don't know. I'm recording.
You don't want them recording? I don't know. Maybe to document a fun time, I'm sure. To them it is, because no one else claimed the beer that you were drinking all by yourself.